Hello everybody, this is Victor from VStudio. In today's video, we will edit this image step by step. By the way, this is a composite one, so the editing will be very fun. And prepare it for the next video, where we will change the sky and give it a final touch. So, let's begin. So, we have these two photos. Before we export it in Photoshop, we will make some minor adjustments. We will increase a little bit the contrast, the highlights, the shadows. And also we're going down to lens correction and hit enable profile correction and remove a chromatic aberration. So I make small adjustments here in Lightroom, and I want to match the other photo with the previous one, and I hit previous, but we see it's a little bit overexposed, and I will underexpose just a little bit in order to match the other photo. A little bit up, and I think it looks, we can put here, you can see how much do you need to. I think this is look great. So we select both of the photos, right click, okay, and then we will open as layers in Photoshop because we want to blend the photos.
One eternity later.
So we have the two photos open in Photoshop as layers. As you can see, we want to blend the two people in the first photo. So in order to do that, we will create a mask. We click here, we have a white mask. So we hit the brush. We want to make sure that the black is selected, and then we will paint where the people are. Okay, but as you can see, we go a little bit over the image on the back. So we hit X to invert the colors. We decrease a little bit, and then we paint back the missing parts that are important for us. And here also. In order to have a better match, we will decrease the flow to 45% and a little bit just to blend in on the people. To look just fine. So this is the image without and with the back photo also in the frame. So after we blend the two photos, we will clean a little bit the photo. We will select the spot healing brush tool and we decrease the brush and we simple brush here, and as you can see, this corner of the building disappeared. Also you may see that there are a little bit spots from the sensor, but in the next video we will change the sky and I will show you step by step how to change the sky perfectly in this photo to give it a better look. Now, as you can see here, there are a little bit of dirt from the ground, and also we decrease the spot healing and we go a little bit zoom and just paint over, and these spots. Also be careful when you use this photo, because if you go over a line, let's say, the Photoshop will try to match what she see. For example, if I go and want to delete this line, it deletes. So no, let's this is a little bit tricky here, but it's okay. Here okay. I try to clean all these spots in order to have the image as perfect as we could. Okay. Now I see that there are a lot of stuff thrown on the ground. Okay. For this part, I will use the stamp tool, because the lower part belongs to the layer beneath. I will select the layer beneath and try to stamp and clone. Voila. And now we return to the other layer. As you can see, we need to correct here because it's a little bit. Oops. I think now it's a little bit better. We switch again to clone and stamp, and okay. Now that part is good. Now we need to go in this part. And we will correct a little bit this girl. I think now it's look a little bit better. Okay. I forgot to change the brush. So the photo is done. As you can see, a little bit we clean up this whole area. Now we will increase a little bit the contrast using curves. Just a little bit. And then we will create a new layer with all the information here by pressing Shift Alt Command E. And now we will go to make more adjustments in Camera Raw. And I will want to increase the shadows to bring a little bit more of details. My computer is beginning to be a little bit laggy, but it's fine. So just a little bit of shadows will create beautiful appearance. Okay, and let's see how it looks with a little bit vibrance. Just a little bit, not too much. I think 21 is good. Okay, so this is the image. A simple edit. And in the next video, I will show you how to change the sky of this image very easily. So, if you like this video, please hit the like button, make a comment, and see you next time.